In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove all empty columns in Google Sheets. So as you can see in here in the sample spreadsheet, we have here some empty columns, which is column D, column F, and column H. So we don't need any of this and we're going to delete these columns in this video. So first, what you're going to do is to simply select the column. So since we're going to delete column B, click the B in here, right click on your cursor, and in here you can see delete column. Simply click this and now you have successfully deleted that empty column. Simply repeat the same actions on other empty columns in here. Right click, then delete column, right click, then delete column. And now you have successfully deleted all empty columns in your Google Sheet. And that's about it. That's how to remove all empty columns in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.